A year or so ago, I bought a work cart from Harbor Freight, and like so many Chinese products, there's apparently zero quality control. Holes don't line up. In this particular case, some of it could only be installed and put together by a magician with a magic wand. So after screwing around with it for about 2 hours, I just welded it together. Well, I haven't put it to much use. I was going to use it for a welding cart, and may still do that. But I wanted to try to salvage my investment, so I'm using an angle grinder to clean up the rust and rough spots. And then I'm going to paint it black so it looks more presentable, because I want to leave it uncovered. We'll see how this works out. Between this and an issue with Harbor Freight's coupon redemption policies, I decided to cancel my account, and I no longer do business for those folks. I'm using a battery-operated angle grinder. It's a way off brand, which I'll never buy again. It's Added Power is the name of the company, and I'm finding that the battery is not compatible with anything else, not even their later model. So when the battery goes kaput, I'll end up throwing the whole thing away. So it wasn't a bargain after all. I bought this from Amazon.